To show GPU and FPS graphs on a Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to open Settings. Here in Settings we're gonna have to scroll all the way down, and then you want to go to About Phone. In here in About Phone we're gonna go to Software Information, and we need to keep tapping on Build Number in order to activate the developer mode. So you might need to enter your screenlock password in order to confirm. Then you will see this message that developer mode has been enabled. So we're gonna go back to Settings, and then below About Phone we should be able to find Developer Options. Over here in the Developer Options we'll have to scroll down a little bit, and we need to find the option that is called the GPUWatch, which is over here. Now once we find the GPUWatch we can turn it on quite easily. We can also choose widgets or the type of information that we want to see, and then once it is activated you should be able to see it, for example, on the home screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.